Hello, everybody. Today, in June 1st, June, I guess, a call in Process Guild, we looked at the main tasks. Mostly we covered things that are upcoming. One task that really jumped up today was discussing about the troll attack we had last week, and how do we have protocols in place to make it easier to manage these situations. And there was a decision that Main Miro Board stays private. Each group using a Miro Board uses an own Miro Board, which then will get copied over to Main Board by admins. So that would assume that all the ambassadors will start using the SingularityNET ambassadors Miro account that has now the license to create new Miro boards and share access to them and public accesses and do all kinds of framing and locking stuff. Currently, the meeting Miro board will not be moved right away. It will take probably until next week, when all the existing boards will be moved under the SingularityNET ambassador account. And another change on that is that we are going to detach SingularityNET ambassador account from Swarm Zoom account, and it will have its own license, being alone in one family for now, and that will improve the description when people join to these Zoom calls. And another topic we had today was related to creating a hypothesis for Process Guild. And technically, there was a task to create a hypothesis for any decision-making model you're using in your Process Guild. And I drafted one for Process Guild itself to get the ball rolling, to understand where do we take this task and this kind of thinking. And so far, going forward with that, in next Process Guild call, we will combine that hypothesis with an actual voting with the Project Catalyst Fund, then proposal ideations, and then discuss where our proposals we selected, the skills and knowledge we kind of highlighted, were we able to vote on them, and did our preferences kind of pop up once we see the result, or there was some issues along the way in the voting or creating the voting elements, or confusion that was misrepresented incorrectly, and then we either adjust or basically learn to cope with the downsides of these kinds of decision-making models. This was it for today's call. See you in the next week Process Guild session.